How to fix app crashes on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Is your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra experiencing app crashing or freezing issue? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you some quick and easy fix to solve app crashing on your S24 Ultra. Reason for the app crashes is software bugs, insufficient memory, outdated apps, outdated software update. So this is the all possible reason that will causing the app crashing or freezing issue on your device. And let's see the solution to fix the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra app crashes or freezing issue. The first solution is the simple and easy restart your Samsung phone. To restart your Samsung phone, press the side button. If you can't find the power menu, just swipe down the notification panel from the top. Tap the power button. Now tap the restart. Tap again restart to restart your Samsung phone. After restart your Samsung phone, check fix the app crashing issue or not. If you still facing issue, apply the second method. Check for the OS and app update. Make sure your phone software update with the latest version or all apps updated. To check it, open tab drawer, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to software update. Here you can find the software update. Tap on a download and install. Make sure internet is working on your device. Now here you checking for the update and you can find that your software is up to date. One UI version 6.1, Android version 14. So if available update your device. Now check for the app update. Open the Play Store. Now tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap the manage apps and device. Here you can see update available. Tap on see details. Now tap on the update. If app crashing available in the list, tap on update all to update all apps and check fix the app crashing issue or not. The third method is close unused apps. There are several apps we open and I forgot to close it. So close the all background running apps on your device. Now close all background running apps. To close it, swipe up and hold to view all the recent application on your device. Tap on a close all button at the bottom to close all background running apps on your device. Next method, free up the space or RAM on your device. That will also causing the app crashing or freezing issue. So check it. Open the app drawer. Tap the settings. Scroll down. And here you can find the device care option. Tap on a device care. Here you can find the storage option. Tap on a storage and make sure free up storage on your device, or also check the RAM. Tap on a memory. Here you can checking for the memory on your device. Tap on a clean now. After that, check app crashing issue solved or not. If you still facing the issue, the last method is try clear the app cache and data on your Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Android device. To clear the app cache and data, open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the settings app. Tap on apps. Tap the apps. Here you can find the list of all applications on your device. So select the application you want to clear app cache. Here we select the Facebook. You can select the app that causing the issue on your device. Now here you can find the option storage on your device. Tap on it. Now at the bottom you can find the clear cache option on your device. Now tap the clear cache. Now when you clear cache, it will temporarily remove the data file on your device. After clear app cache, tap the clear data button. Tap on it. This app's data, it will permanently delete your app's data like settings permanently delete. So tap on a delete to delete app data on your device. Now again restart your phone and check fix the app crashing or freezing issue or not on your device. If you still facing the issue, the last option you use uninstall the application and reinstall it again on your device. To uninstall the application, long press the any application that causing the issue. Tap the eye icon. At the bottom middle you can find the uninstall. Tap on uninstall. tap on OK to uninstall that application and reinstall it again using the Play Store. So this is the all solution you need to apply to fix the app crashes or freezing issue on a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. That's it. Please like it, share it.